Good morning, everyone. It's that time of the week again for our Amington Heath Star of the Week assembly. We're going to see who has been an Amington alien this week. And I'm going to start with our youngest children today. So we have got a certificate for Liliana. Liliana is being responsible. She's emptying her snack into the bin when finished and then going back to help the other children to empty theirs. Well done, Liliana. That's responsible and that is also caring. Well done. And Nevaeh has lots of self-belief and will persevere with challenges. She sat and sang Twinkle Twinkle Little Star all by herself in front of everyone. Well done. That's fantastic. Determined alien. And we have Owen. Owen has been an independent alien. He's shown great independence this week. He loves to show everyone what he can do and has mastered Magic Coat this week. If you don't know what Magic Coat is, you need to ask one of the nursery children to show you. And Eddie is our aspirational alien. He loves a challenge and is always motivated to do his best. He is a fabulous role model. Well done, Eddie. Lots. Tyler has been a determined alien this week. He has taken his learning from read writing and has applied it in his writing and reading. Tyler has amazed us at how he can now read simple words. Well done, Tyler. And Raiden has been an independent alien this week. He has made good choices during continuous provision and has been ready to learn on the carpet, sitting nicely and giving fantastic answers. Well done, Raiden. So moving into year one, Layla has tried hard this week to make better decisions. She's working extremely hard to manage her distractions and has begun to take an active part in the lessons. Well done, Layla. That's really good to hear. And Darcy has been a determined alien this week. She's worked hard to make good decisions. She's persevered and been super motivated. We're really proud of Darcy's decisions this week, so we hope she keeps it up. Well done, Darcy. And same family, we have got one for Wyatt. Wyatt has been a determined Amington alien this week. He has persevered with his writing a letter to the Mad Hatter. And he has had a have-a-go attitude in all lessons. Wyatt has been motivated and grown in his self-belief. Well done, Wyatt. That's really lovely to hear. And Alexia has been an independent alien this week. She's been responsible and resourceful. She's been a fantastic helper in the class and has been very focused on her learning, producing a fantastic letter to the Mad Hatter. Well done, Alexia. And we have got one for Riley has blown Miss Hill away this week with his determination to improve his handwriting. He brought it to show me. It was very impressive. Cannot believe the difference in such a short amount of time. So proud of him. He has listened carefully to instructions to help him improve and is really becoming visible in his work. Well done, Riley. And Romeo has been an expressive alien this week. He has been trying so hard to listen carefully and to put his hand up when he would like to speak. He has also blown us away with his determination. He's been trying hard to improve his times tables and worked well as a team to create a word bank for his writing. Well done, Romeo. Keep up the good work. Moving to year 5, I have a certificate for Belle. Belle is a true Amington alien. She works consistently hard in all areas and listens really carefully to instructions, which means she makes super progress. She's a great example in class, always attentive and unfailingly polite. Well done, Belle. And we have one for Harvey. Harvey is a consistently determined and aspirational alien. He listens attentively and applies himself to all his learning. He's also curious, asks sensible questions about subjects. Well done, Harvey. And another one running in the family because I have one for Lacey. Lacey has been an aspirational, determined and expressive alien this week. She always displays exceptional behaviour in class and around school and is a great model for others. In a mini adventure this week, she has been very determined and creative when completing a non-chronological report, and she's even helped her friends. Well done, Lacey. And Fern has been a determined and expressive alien this week. She's worked extremely hard in Mini Adventure to create a wonderful, non-chronological report. She also took time away from her own work to help others, a lovely thing to do and shows what a team member she is. Well done, Fern. Now, Romeo's certificate reminded me I have set everybody in school a challenge to improve their handwriting before Christmas, because during lockdown, when the school was closed, we did a little bit less writing and our hands have got a bit tired and we've forgotten some of our letter formation. So we're really focusing as a whole school to improve our handwriting by Christmas, and anyone whose handwriting has improved, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be an improvement, is going to get a special Christmas surprise. And if you haven't already, don't forget to spend in your 50p's to buy your little dolly peg, a little wooden peg, and you are going to decorate it and send it back into school by the end of next week, and they're going to be kept safe for a few weeks, and then when we put our Christmas tree up for the beginning of December, all of those beautifully decorated dolly pegs will go onto our Christmas tree. So if you haven't already bought your dolly peg, please can you do so as soon as possible. And that brings us to our planet points. So remember, our planet points are earned for good manners, excellent behaviour, fabulous work, teamwork, showing any of her Ramington aliens. So children get rewarded with their planet points, which they earn in their teams. So this week, red team have 152 planet points. Yellow team have 193 planet points. Green team have 214 planet points. And blue team are in the lead at the moment with 276 planet points. Well done, blue team. So this week's planet points will convert into balls and go into our ball tubes in the hall, and we'll see which team are currently in the lead for this half term. So well done, everybody. Little quick reminder, on Wednesday we are going to have a special film crew in school. We're going to be making a very short special video about Abington Heath Primary School and showing everybody how fantastic our children are, our learning is, and our school is. So on Wednesday next week, please make sure you are super smartly dressed, make sure your uniform is on and clean, your hair is done, and that you're ready to be filmed with big smiling faces. And I'll remind you about that again on Tuesday next week. But have a lovely weekend, and we'll see you next week. Stay safe.